Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lami. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to make a lace frontal wig. For the wig I'm going to be using 3 bundles of 18-inch hair and 16-inch frontal that I got from ENQUIRES. The first step is to wear the wig cap on the mannequin head. I'm using a dome cap. And the next step is to place your frontal on top of the wig cap and pin it down with some T-pins. Make sure the frontal is about half an inch forward from the wig cap. Fold the frontal in front to make sure it is very flat at the back. Get all the hair out of the way and pin the frontal down at the back too. For the sewing, you're going to be needing some needles and thread. Now I'm just going to sew my frontal down on the wig cap. I'm going to sew the frontal down from the first side down to the other side. You can use whatever stitch you want as long as it is going to secure it, but for me I'm using a blanket stitch method. As you're sewing, make sure you are removing the T-pins you used in holding the frontal down. When you get to the end, sew it down about 3 times just to secure it and cut the remaining thread with a scissors or blade. For the back, I'm going to be using a double weft, and I'm still going to use the blanket stitch method to sew down the weft. When you get to the end, use the fold over method. Sew one weft first about 3 times, then place the second one on it, then sew both together about 3 times. This prevents your wig from having bumps. As you can see, I didn't sew the weft on top of the lace, which was what I did when I started the hair. I left a gap between the lace and the weft. Continue to use the weft until you get to the end, but just make sure you are not sewing it on top of the lace. When I got to the middle of the wig, I stopped using a double weft. I changed to a single weft. This is because I want the wig to be very flat in front. I don't want it to be too bulky. But what I'm trying to say is, double the weft at the back and use a single weft in front. When you get to the other side, don't use the fold over method. Sew the weft down about 3 times, then cut it with a blade or scissors, then sew it down again about 3 times. This will make the wig flat and not have bumps in front. I continued to use a single weft till I got to the top, and the reason why I left a gap between the weft and the lace is because I'm still going to cover the lace with a single weft, and the last thing you want on your wig are bumps. Now I'm just going to sew the weft on top of the lace to cover all the tracks. After making the wig, remove the wig from the mannequin head and cut the wig cap underneath the lace. This makes the lace more transparent, and be very careful of the tracks. For security, attach an elastic band to the wig. I straightened the wig, and now I'm just going to cut the excess lace in front. If you have any questions at all, or you think I skipped something, please put it in the comment section below. And now the wig is ready. If you love my video, please like, share and subscribe, and you can also follow me on Instagram, @llammykola, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.